Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the construction that's going on Spanish Town Road. We are actually on Mandela Highway now and we're exiting and going on to Spanish Town Road. Now Spanish Town Road currently has two projects on the way. The first project is by the National Water Commission and it's a US $25 million project to deliver potable water on Spanish Town Road. And the second project is an $11 million project by the NWA to pave over the road. So this is Spanish Town Road we're on now, and it was recently, well, the project started the NWC project was to go first, to lay the pipes, and then once that's finished, NWA's project was to start to pave over the road. So let's take a look at the NWC project, which is on the way. The pipes have been laid. US $25 million project. That's what the project cost by the NWC. And the name of it is a Spanish Town Road Potable Water Transmission Main Project. And that project is to run water pipes along Spanish Town Road and into Central and downtown Kingston. This project, this is the NWC project now, started in November 2020. And the main goal of the project is to replace aged transmission mains that break and often affect the reliability of water supply to surrounding communities. So basically, the pipes have been laid and NWC is now to be pressure testing them. So currently NWC is pressure testing, and this has been going on for a while. So they're laying 4 kilometers of pipes were laid, and the pipes are 600 millimeters or 24 inches. So what happened is these communities of Spanish Town Road have grown at a very rapid pace. So on the right is the Riverton community, then beside it is Seaview Gardens, on the left is Washington Gardens, and you have other communities like Olympic Gardens, Tivoli Gardens, Denham Town, Tavares Gardens, a lot of communities, large communities. So the existing pipes were not adequate to provide the water. So the new pipes were laid. So they're laying 4 kilometers of pipes, some are 24 inches. Okay, so the contractor that NWA hired to lay the pipes is M&M Jamaica Limited. And then this is the scope of it. 6 kilometers of 900 millimeter or 35 inch pipes were to be laid. 4 kilometers of 600 millimeter or 24 inch pipes, and 4 kilometers of 150 and 200 millimeter pipes, which are 6 and 8 inches. And these pipes are set to last decades. And these pipes will be large enough to deliver water for the community. So if you watch some of our previous videos on this road, the construction of Spanish Town Road, you will see where the road was dug up and the pipes laid. So the second part of the project now, which has not started because, as you can see, the road is still in this state, is an $11 million project to pave over the road, or as they would say, rehabilitate the road. So an $11 million contract was given out, and the scope is the rehabilitation work on Spanish Town Road, and the National Works Agency is in charge of this project now. Project delayed because NWC has been laying pipes. So the NWA is waiting on NWC to finish pressure testing and sign off, and then they will start. As you can see, the pipes have been laid and the pressure testing started months ago. So I'm really not sure what the holdup is with the paving over the road. But NWA says they instructed the contractor not to start construction work until the NWC was finished. And the scope of the project is the rehabilitation of Spanish Town Road and drainage improvement. Alright, so that's what's going on, really, construction on Spanish Town Road. And as we said earlier, we're not sure what the holdup is, but as far as we know, both contracts have been given out. So we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. So on the right now, if we turn right, we'll go into the Seaview Gardens area. On the left will lead us into the Olympic Gardens area. And we are on Spanish Town Road. And this is one of the busiest roads in Jamaica because it takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, to the busiest intersection in Jamaica, which is Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, which is the intersection straight ahead. And it also takes you from the busiest road in Jamaica, which is Mandela Highway, to the busiest place in Jamaica, which is Halfway Tree via Hagley Park Road. So the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the one straight ahead, where a double overpass was built to help with the flow of traffic. So this is a very important road in Jamaica. It's a very busy road, and for some reason it just doesn't seem to get the priority that it should. This road project should have been finished a long time ago. Okay, on the left now is an entrance to Olympic Gardens. And Spanish Town Road takes you all the way to downtown Kingston. This is actually the overpass now. It's the only double overpass in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.